Welcome to the Tech for Everyone channel, and I wanted to express my opinion of interesting things that are happening with iOS 13. So, of course, it's a new version for of the operating system for iPhones, and there's one that's equivalent for the iPad called iPadOS 13. Now, I posted a video today. It was updated to 13.1, and one of the reasons why it was actually so fast in its release to 13.1 because it's actually available a whole week before the official release was announced. It was supposed to be next week. It seems that iOS 13 messed up a lot of iPhones. I even have reports on my own of iPhones having call problems, text messaging issues, all sorts of connectivity quirks and quarks, crashing, freezing. It is interesting because this is something that we don't hear that often about Apple products, but it seems that maybe iOS 13 was kind of a little bit rushed. So let's hope that the fact that they rushed 13.1 is not going to make things worse. But if you've had some issues with the upgrade to iOS 13 on devices, well, it seems that you're not alone. A lot of people are complaining. So 13.1 is now available. And that's why, honestly, there's one thing that I often say is why not, wait? You don't have to rush. When an update is available like iOS 13, you don't have to do it right away. You can just leave it there and wait and install it at another time because, problems are reported. And for sure, there were a lot of problems reported on iOS 13 since its release, basically. So make sure that you update to 13.1 if you want to test this out. Because, and if you want to have maybe a good working phone. And last but not least, once again, I don't know why, maybe because of quirks, maybe because of some of the bugs, but iPadOS 13 was not released on the day that iOS 13 was released. It was released actually today as 13.1, iPadOS 13.1. And I would guess maybe there was some kind of bugs that they didn't like on iPads, and they waited for 13.1 before they would release it officially. So, yeah, lots of bugs reported. You're not alone if you have some issues, and check that out because it seems that it's something that's been happening with a lot of iPhone users. So, update to 13.1 that was released today, and things should hopefully be fixed. If you have any problems, update. If you have any questions, you can ask. If you like our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.